So I'm not able to start this car up. Let's see. I think the battery is dead. So it's been sitting here from like long time. So we can just gonna boost it up. So now I'm gonna start this car up and connect the wires with the battery of this car, and I'm gonna boost this up. So first of all, I'm gonna start up this car. Let the car warm up for a bit time. So now I'm gonna open the hood. So here's a very terminal cross. This is a minus. And plus minus on this side. So I have this booster cable. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna connect the terminal with positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So positive to the positive and negative goes to negative side. Just make sure you connect the right wires. Same thing on this car. I'm gonna try to start this car up. So all dash lights are coming up, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so it's just fired up now. So wires were not fully connected before, so that's why it could not be able to start up, but now it's good. Thanks for watching.